while I'm working abroad here in Hong Kong. I consider this mountain is my comfort zone. I'm Dolly Sales from Philippines. I am a domestic helper in Hong Kong, and I am a trail runner under Lantau-based company Hong Kong Sports Clinic. I was a road jogger, just like a run to feed. When I joined ICC Tower, it was last 2017, and I never expect that I won a second placer. That was the started. I get an idea. If I did a stairs challenge, maybe I can do a trail running too. One of my friends asked me or dragged me to this 30K trail running race event. I joined it, but after that, I hated the trail running. And I promised to myself I don't do it again. That for the next month, one of my friends asked me to join some volunteering and trail running event. Like I remember the Grand Race trail running events. While I do volunteering for this for running, I watch, I notice them, observe all runners, what they do. I've learned a lot. I have an idea that someday maybe I can do a trail running too or join to race, not just a volunteer. Because the volunteering, I have credits for pre-race. So that was 2019. I started racing in the trail running. I feel that I'm a professional runner now. In trail running, we don't avoid that we can get injured or pain. But this pain or injuries made me more motivated and do more challenge. Every time I feel pain, I keep moving. As a trail runner here in Hong Kong, I don't mean you go to the mountain door running or run miles or 30 kilometers or 100 kilometers. I don't mean that. My message to you is try to hike or go to the mountain, go to the top. Really, it feels good. You can see so many beautiful mountains here in Hong Kong. And it really feels good as you consider that this is a good spare time, especially on your holidays.